What's the meaning of chitlins? Chitlins. Chitlins.
Chitlins. Chitlins. Chitlins, also known as chitlins, are a type of food made from the small intestines of pigs. They are often cleaned and then boiled or fried until they become tender and crispy. Although they have a strong, pungent odor, chitlins are considered a delicacy in some cultures and are often served during holidays and special occasions. However, they are not widely popular due to their unpleasant smell and the fact that they can be difficult to prepare properly. Overall, chitlins are a polarizing food item with a unique taste and texture.